Once upon a time, long, long ago, in a village there lived two friends. Their names were Sujit and Ajit. One day, they had a holiday at school. So they decided to go into a forest that was near their village. While they were happily walking along through the forest, suddenly a bear appeared in front of them. He seemed to have come out of nowhere. Both of them were very scared.
Oh my goodness! This bear is huge!
Ajit knew how to climb a tree. So he quickly ran up to a nearby tree and climbed up. He was so scared looking at the bear that he forgot about poor Sujit. Poor Sujit was left all alone. Sujit did not even know how to climb a tree. What was he to do? Sujit thought hard. He remembered reading somewhere that animals did not like dead bodies. This gave him an idea. He immediately fell to the ground and held his breath. The bear came right near Sujit. He sniffed Sujit all over. The bear thought that Sujit was dead, so it walked away. Once the bear was out of sight, Sujit got up. Both the boys were relieved that the bear went away. Ajit climbed down the tree. He asked Sujit,
What did the bear whisper in your ears? The bear told me to keep away from friends like you,
said Sujit. So remember, children, a friend in need is a friend indeed. lived. Holiday. Bear. Seemed. Huge. Friends. School. Appeared. Nowhere. Climb. Names. Decided. Front. Goodness. Looking. Forgot. Hard. Breath. Relieved. Poor. Immediately. Sniffed. Whisper. Alone. Ground. Sight. Years.